Every technological revolution raises a new generation of natives. Now, as AI enters the physical world, a new era is beginning.
I think we'll see more robots in public spaces within the next decade.
One day, robots will be everywhere, just like smartphones, and education will be their first doorway into our homes and our lives.
AI, which could run all sorts of things, but when we think of LLMs, that's actually generative AI, right? It's a prediction machine.
At FF, we believe the most important education of the future.
And the difference between like your typical LLM and having it actually be.
These robots more because we don't want them to struggle and think it's hard.
Isn't teaching children to use AI. It's raising them to become creators in the age of AI. Powered by EAI devices, the EAI Brain and Developer Platform, and the EAI Data Factory. FF is building the evolutionary flywheel of the embodied intelligence era. From the home to the classroom, from K-12 to university research, FF is creating a full lineup of robots for every stage of learning. From visual programming to open development platforms, from learning AI to creating AI. We're building a VLA plus world model for education, where robots begin to understand the real world.
A younger age lets them develop and come up with their own ideas to understanding how the robot works.
Honestly, my mind just blew from how amazing these robots are. I was able to understand and see how we can apply these concepts in life.
We're seeing new AI develop new things that are going to be helpful for the world.
FF is raising the next generation of EAI native developers. Education is the biggest icebreaker for consumer robotics. And FF is becoming the icebreaker, the pioneer, the trailblazer of educational robotics.